Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 3, Zimbabwe 2. I'm joined by Machinator.
Hola, Steve.
Money.
Steve, as you see, I'm wearing black today.
Yeah, all play.
Basically, I was mourning a loss before the loss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
No mourner.
Yes, I was mourning them.
Grieving.
Remember, I deceived them last time. I said they are very dangerous.
Yes.
Which, of course, they are. They are not a team to take lightly. Yeah. Zimbabwe is not a playground.
Yeah.
There's this boy, Tawanda. Individual brilliance. Aye. Who break the TLB.
Yeah.
He broke our TLB. Now we've got spare parts we need to buy and
We need the service.
we need service, spare parts, hydraulic system.
Yeah.
Usinyen tote bada.
Yeah.
Kabona TLB yakwa. And Ellen now was sitting next to one of our members. Ki jumpile ka krase tikudutsi ma member.
Utuhi.
Aye. Lenane unshabile len.
Oshapilo limo.
Remember, I get into iso. When I watch the game, I engage into the game. So I'm also part of the game.
Again.
So when that guy was he didn't know guy.
Wawela fati.
Gadula modi mga member.
Nation chweno inwele.
Next. Nothing to do with anything. I cannot see it. Next. I cannot see it. So I'm mourning 2 losses today.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
The loss of our TLB went in the wrong direction.
Sure.
And then obviously the loss of the Zim Kings. Yeah. Because trust me, they gave us a game. They brought their A game.
Yeah,
I did tell you they're gonna bring the A game. They brought the A game. Yo, yella. I was sitting on the edge of the couch the whole game.
It's that intense.
It was very, very intense. So it's not a team that you would take lightly.
Yeah.
So with that being said, Steve, I'm proud of the boys.
Yeah.
Pirates, no, this has nothing to do with Pirates.
Yeah.
This has everything to do with the boys.
Yeah.
The boys, they came through.
Yeah.
They did what they had to do.
Yeah.
And then, hey, killer sharp, man.
Kilowatili.
No, no, there's this guy, ne? I'm not sure if I'm right or not.
Is it the name of virus? Or
It's a virus.
The artist.
Yeah, that guy is not sharp, man. Kirle kam level like a mona awet, man. So or maybe I check a CD4 count. Yeah. And then Rituale pile, ne? I check a CD4 count. You know,
she's an upcoming artist.
That's a low blow.
and then
That's a low blow.
and Steve. Yeah, back to the serious points. Wabona Snow White. Ne? Snow White is a good coach. Which kamusapota kamrata Snow White kaibona ntho a dirang. But Snow White also needs to understand or verbal diarrhea. Ke problem.
Yeah.
Snow White una le verbal diarrhea. Yeah. If the less he says, the better.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because even there are certain things as supporters that we are questioning. Mola, you could have done that. Mola, you could have done that. Yeah. But overall, the boys, they tried their best. Yeah, and then Foster o korile goal. I get even two but we grateful. I get either the ball or someone who wanna muto tooting what we saw blood. Who changes the face. So I sure manga tooting mangmul. But otherwise, yes. Yeah. The fact is that at the end of the day, bekuzoba nokukhala nokugedla kwamazinyo. And we did progress. We're going forward.
Yeah.
Understand? So I've got my passport ready. I'm going to Morocco for the final.
Serious?
Yes, I'm definitely going to Morocco for the final. So if it doesn't happen, we don't get to the final, I don't know who's going to refund me my money.
So bugile.
So ke bukile. Go ra re ke tsaya madam re ya Morocco for no reason.
Vacation.
Ke tla bona ke dirang mola. Maybe ke tla fihla ke je biryani or something.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day,
Yeah.
I'm ready for Morocco.
Thank you, man.